welcome to this week's episode of Minis and Motorbikes.
Yeah, welcome to this week's episode.
Where are we?
Yes, we're at
Snetterton Race Circuit, and we've come down to see Michael, haven't we?
Yeah.
Because if you go back a few episodes, Michael bought his
Yamaha R1.
I'm glad you know what it is. Yeah. It was a bike.
Yeah.
Yeah. But he's out on the track tonight, so we're here to see what he's getting up to. Probably talk to a few of the others, and see how we get on.
Neil, we found Michael.
I'm here.
So what's the plan?
I'm going to go around the track on a push bike.
Yeah, might as well. So it's the R1 today, isn't it?
Yeah, the R1 today, yeah.
So you've had anything done to it since we see you last time?
No, all the same. Yeah.
So,
I was going to go on the BMW today, but the weather was a bit hit and miss, so...
Yeah, so plan of attack then. What's the is it three sessions?
4 sessions, four 20-minute sessions, 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off.
So do you alter your attitude for each session, or first session just get your arse into it?
You do a couple of sighting laps to get used to the track, where things are, if there's anything on there, like different, like slippy points, whatever.
Remind you braking points.
Yeah, exactly.
Turning in.
Yeah, and then just go. Send it.
That's it, send it. So the last session, the 4th session, you just tape everything up and just go for it then?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, let's see how you get on then.
Yeah.
Well done.
Awesome, thank you very much.
Hurry up, I can't breathe in this lot.
Mikey, that's your first session.
Yeah.
How did that go?
That was good. Yeah. Maybe almost a little run off under the bridge, but apart from that, I'm quite happy. Just got to adjust the steering dampener on it because it's a bit loose.
So the steering. So show us what you're going to do there then.
Yeah, literally just tighten up.
That's it. Literally just tighten it up.
Just tighten up. Yeah, just tighten up, and then that should stiffen up.
What was it wobbling a bit? Was it?
Yeah. So the steering was really loose. As you can see, I've tightened up a little bit already.
Yeah.
It's getting tighter.
So you won't make any more changes to it. The setup is just shocks and stuff like that. It's fine.
Yeah, they're all fine. It's literally just this, just to when you're going around the corner, stop the bike doing that.
Yeah.
And obviously when the wheel comes up as well, it's doing this as well. So it just stops it either getting a tank slapper. So a tank slap when you come back down, the fucking thing starts going mad like this. Yeah. So just don't want to do that.
Yeah.
And looks like we've had a lot of issues.
Right. That's the sound of that one.
Yeah.
One's a bit noisy, Mark. The one in the corner. Bit noisy. Bit naughty. One in the corner. Bike. Not the girl, the bike. It's a cracking circuit. Right, sorry Mark, you ready? Are you filming? You on? We're in.
We're on. Take one.
Yes, right. We're here with another lady who's racing. Lady racer.
Lady racer. Yay!
Yes. So you're not the only one, Lydia. You see.
Girls rule.
Yes. And your name is, please?
Rachel Stacey.
Rachel Stacey. And what bike have you got?
Well, it depends what you're asking for. Track days or
today?
Okay, today I'm riding a Ducati Panigale 1299S. Although it's been a pain in the so next session I'm actually taking out the Suzuki Gixxer Thal.
Okay, right.
So, yes.
And you also race as well, don't you? There's
I do.
3 of you that race.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Because this is a club, really, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
So what's the club called?
So we're ATO Racing. You can follow us on Facebook.
I told you, didn't I? Yeah. So the racing, is it a Gixxer that you race?
No. So this year I'm racing in the CB 500 newcomer. I'm currently sitting in 7th in the championship, and all being well, that's what I'll race next year as well.
Excellent, yeah, because we want to follow the 3 of you next, because there's 3 of you, aren't there? So there's you.
There's myself, Ian Carter, who's also in the CB 500, but he's in the veteran class, and then Daniel Noble, our nephew, he's this year's racing in the 600 newcomer.
Daniel's quite quick, and he's quite quick. Yeah, so you're hopefully going to follow those 3 like we do with the mini JCWs next year. So we do the beginning of the season, mid-season and end season, and then see how they get on all the way through. So how did your session go today?
It was all right. Strange to be back on a quick bike. It's been a bit temperamental at the minute with the electronics, but we'll see how the next session goes.
Good. Well, very good luck, and thank you for talking to us.
No worries. Thank you.
Right then, Mike.
All right.
That was your second session.
Yep.
So what did you do different to the bike? We see you're all in the steering.
Yeah.
So did it make any difference?
Yeah, they helped a lot around the corners. Stop the shaking of the bars, and then when it's pulling up, it stops the shaking when it's pulling up as well. And about when the front wheel's coming up. So
now you're starting to get in the groove. Now you're finding your line and everything. It's coming back to you now.
Yeah, getting there
slowly. The time's coming up. I mean, I know you're not allowed to time yourself on a track day.
Yeah.
But are they coming?
Yeah, I'm definitely getting quicker. Had a few little iffy moments there. Just
really,
I'm
not like you.
Well, yeah.
So, are your times as good as what you've done before, or?
No, probably not. No.
Well, you're out of condition a little bit, ain't you?
Yeah,
you
exactly.
said to me you ain't been to the gym lately.
No, I haven't been on the R1 since February either.
Really?
So, yeah, I've been riding about on CB, about the CB 500. So.
All right.
Yeah, so you've gone from 52 horsepower to 152 horsepower. So.
Yeah.
It's just learning all your braking markers and that again as well. So
you're braking. Where are you braking in the first corner? 100 yard mark.
At the moment, 100. Yeah.
So
no.
When you're on it.
Yeah, at the moment probably just at 3.
Okay.
Usually it's down to 2, and then down a gear and then throw it in.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you've got 2 more sessions.
Yep.
We'll let you do your 3rd session, then we come and talk to you after you've done your 4th session.
Okay. Yeah. No worries. Yeah. Cool.
So 4th session.
Yeah.
Happy day.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Definitely.
It's
yeah.
good. It's if you can come and do a track day at night at Snetterton.
Yeah,
in the summer, it's evening cars. It's awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a good circuit. And how much do they charge you for it?
There's 60 quid for tonight. So.
60 quid. And I think it's about 100 quid in a car. So
yeah, it's great value for money.
Got to be done, innit?
Yeah. No, definitely. Yeah. Recommend to anyone. Yeah, great fun.
So your 4th session, you're really sort of getting somewhere back where you were.
Yeah. My times are coming down now. I'm probably back to where I was originally, so I just need to get faster.
Yeah. So the next thing you do is to change your bike then, BMW.
I think so. Yeah, BMW probably next year.
Not the one you're riding on the road. You won't do that one.
There could be possibility.
Because you were going to do that today, didn't you?
Yeah,
you
I was.
You
Yeah,
was
but
going to come on it today, but the weather looked like it was going to pee it down.
It did. Yeah, I didn't really fancy throwing an £8.5 bike down the road. So.
Well, thank you very much for letting us come and see you.
No, it's all right. Thanks for coming.
It's nice to see something. You know, we've seen the bike at the workshop, but it's nice to see it actually going around and hear it, and everybody else, and the club's good. So, should we give the club another little? You know, what's the club called?
ATO Racing. Yeah, give us a follow.
Who is it? Sorry.
ATO Racing against the odds.
ATO Racing.
Yeah,
right, ATO
against
Racing.
the odds.
Against the odds.
Or almost too old for some of them.
Yeah. So no, thank you very much. And thank you everyone.
Yeah, thank you.
Cheers. Right, with another chap that's doing a bit of racing. Is it this year you're racing? Are you racing this year?
Yeah, I've done 1 year and I'm one this year and starting next year.
And you're going to start next year. It's one of the 3 that we're following next year. Beginning of the season, mid-season, end of the season, so we follow you all the way through. That's what we want to do.
Right, okay.
So, tell us about yourself and what you're racing and the championship that you're in.
Right, so I'm going to be racing in No Limits Racing this year, next year and the next season hopefully. I'm looking into either the CB 500s or the newcomer 600s. Money dependent, obviously, being racing. Yeah, I dipped my toe in for the first time just over 2 years ago now. Passed in the October. By February I was at Cartagena. Bit of an eye-opener.
Yeah.
That was, I did more lifesavers on my first lap than I did the whole time I was training. So
See, everyone thinks it looks easy on the telly, don't they? But when they get on it and do it, it's just not, is it?
Oh, things approach you at fast speeds. You just don't even know it's happening.
So corner speeds in it, how do you sort of really judge it? Do you just brake earlier, just brake late and then just carry on and then find your way in?
I tend to find that for myself, I'm over braking into every corner and I'm picking up the throttle and finding that I can need to accelerate, telling me that I need to go in hotter. Unfortunately, I just can't find the switch to turn off, let go of that brake and tipping it over 110, 120, and especially over here into turn 1. It's just, it gets you a little bit.
Did you have to go down the gears on a bike in that? I mean, some cars will just lift off, some cars you go down one and then you're in, but is it the same on a bike?
For myself on a 675, I'm flat out in 6th to the 300 yard marker, roll off, down 2, tip in.
Yeah.
So my bike's topping out at about 155, 160.
Yeah.
So, and I'm trying to scrub off about 40 mile an hour off that, tipping around the 100 to 120 marks.
It's a big ask, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah. So your favourite corner is Snet. Where would you say that is your favourite corner? Coram?
Favourite corner, Palmer's. It's going to be Palmer's. Out of turn 2, hard on the throttle, into Palmer's, knee on the deck in 3rd, out, up into 5th, back down into 2nd for Agostini's. Another one that's great as well. Knee on the deck the whole way round, just loving life.
Yeah. I don't think you told us your name though, did you?
Oh, Mr. Melt or Darrel?
Mr. Melt. Right, well thank you very much indeed, Darrel.
No worries, it's been good talking to you.
We'd catch up with you next year properly, but we just wanted to get a sort of sweetener really and see if everyone was up for it, and everyone seems to be up for it, but one. He doesn't like talking on the camera, does he?
Which one's that? Oh, Daniel's son. Yeah, and he's the one you want to catch because he's fast.
Yeah, he's quick.
Real
fast. Mike said he's quick. Yeah. Well, thank you very much, Darrel.
No worries, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Let's hope we're still smiling like this at the end.
Right, so thanks for watching this week's Minis and Motorbikes coming from Snetterton Race Circuit.
Something a bit different for you. So that'll be interesting next year, following them 3.
And keeping with a motorbike theme as well, isn't it? So,
so we've got drivers we're following, we've got bike riders now we're following, so hopefully it's getting a little bit interesting, a bit of a mix-up.
Yeah. Now, where are we next week? We're somewhere else next week, aren't we? Brands Hatch. We're Brands Hatch.
Yeah.
Festival Italia.
Yeah.
That's going to be a good episode as well.
Come there if you can.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you next week from Brands Hatch.
Yeah, CV just flat, yeah.